Welcome! Today we're mastering the art of effective lecture note-taking. Taking notes is a critical skill for academic success. Let's see how you can improve. Effective notes are the key to retaining complex information over time. We'll cover actionable techniques to sharpen your focus and organization in class. Tip 10. Always arrive early to settle in before the lecture starts. Tip 20. Keep a positive, open mindset to absorb new ideas better. Tip 19. Use high-quality pens to ensure your handwriting remains legible. Tip 18. Try color-coding your notes to categorize different concepts. Tip 17. Ensure your workspace is clean to minimize external distractions. Tip 16. Pay attention to the professor's vocal cues and gestures. Tip 15. Take quick breaks to maintain your alertness during long lectures. Tip 14. Discuss key concepts with a classmate to confirm understanding. Tip 13. Write down questions immediately when they come to mind. Tip 11. Paraphrase content rather than copying the professor verbatim. Tip 9. Focus on understanding the core logic behind the formula. Tip 8. Simulate test conditions while reviewing your notes later. Tip 7. Use abbreviations to save time during fast-paced lectures. Tip 6. Visualize the structure of the lecture in your mind. Tip 5. Record your own summary after class to cement memory. Tip 2. Don't stress if you miss a sentence. Keep moving forward. Tip 3. Use mind maps to visually connect related ideas and concepts. Tip 1. Always review and edit your notes shortly after the class. Success in note-taking starts before you even enter the classroom. Review the syllabus or lecture slides ahead of time to gain context. Choose your tools, notebooks, or digital apps based on your comfort level. Passive hearing isn't enough. You must listen with intent and purpose. Stay tuned for transitions and major themes mentioned by your professor. Note any point the professor emphasizes or repeats, that is, exam material. Find the structure that works best for your unique learning style. The Cornell method uses specific sections for cues, notes, and summaries. Use an outline with bullet points to maintain a logical hierarchy. Mind mapping creates visual connections for nonlinear thinkers. Your work isn't done just because the lecture has ended. Summarize your notes immediately to lock in what you've just learned. Fill in any gaps while the memory of the lecture is fresh. Connect new concepts to your past notes to build a deeper understanding. By applying these methods, you will significantly improve your retention rates. Remember that practice is the only way to perfect these skills. Start small, stay consistent, and take charge of your academic journey today.